shop the Divine collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com. Hi guys, Linda Isemidoli here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the conditioners that I use for maintaining the softness of my hair extensions and making sure that my hair extensions are well conditioned, and even a deep conditioner that I really like to use for my hair extensions. If you're looking for the best conditioners to use that are also very affordable for your hair extensions, and please look no further. If you want to see all of this product, then please keep on watching this video. Before we get right into it, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. Tresemme has various conditioners for various purposes, for various hair problems, but the one I'm currently using right now is this particular Tresemme conditioner, which is the silky and smooth conditioner. This conditioner is very good for frizzy hair. So if your hair extension tends to get really frizzy, you want to make sure that you're investing in a conditioner that really controls frizz on your hair. And this conditioner is also enriched with argan oil. If you've been watching my videos, then you should know by now that I am obsessed with argan oil. I love argan oil for my hair extensions. That's the reason why I love this Tresemme conditioner, because it's infused with argan oil. It has argan oil in it. This conditioner right here is one of my favorite conditioners, and it's also very affordable. I believe this costs me, I think, 4,000 naira. So if you're looking for a conditioner that you can use to get your hair to be very soft and silky, and it also smells good, it doesn't have any offensive smell to it, it smells just very basic, like conditioner, shampoo, whatever. It smells like a hair product. That's just how this product right here smells. So if you're looking for something affordable that also does a very good job, then I recommend the Tresemme conditioner. So guys, another conditioner that I have used for years and loved is this Macadamia Deluxe nourishing conditioner. Guys, this conditioner, no matter how dead your hair is, this conditioner is going to bring your hair back to life. It's going to make your hair soft. It's going to make your hair more manageable. And I also use this conditioner right here for my natural hair, and it's said to be good for all hair types. This conditioner right here retails for 4,000 naira. I think last time I bought it was 4,000 naira. I don't know how much it is right now. And the beauty of this conditioner right here is, no matter how dry your hair is, this conditioner is going to soften it. It's going to soften your hair really well. But the reason why I recently stopped using this conditioner was the smell. I had an issue with the smell of the conditioner. I had an issue with the smell of the shampoo. I think I just got tired of using it because I've used this conditioner and the shampoo for years. That's the reason why I recently stopped purchasing this shampoo and the conditioner. But aside from the smell of the shampoo and conditioner, is it a good product? Yes. Does it work very well? Yes, it does. So if you're just maybe starting out in a hair extension business and you don't see anything wrong with the smell of the shampoo, then you could totally go with it. But for me, I think I got tired of how the shampoo smelled. That's the reason why I stopped using it. But aside from the smell of this particular conditioner, rather, it's a very good product. The Macadamia Deluxe conditioner, very good product. It's one deep conditioner I recommend is this one right here. It's also from the same Macadamian brand. These guys, I don't know what it is with them, but they seem to really know how to make hair products. And this one doesn't have an offensive smell. It's the Macadamia Oil Max. So when you want to deep condition your hair, you want to apply this oil max all over the hair and leave it to sit in the hair, or you can even use it to steam the hair so that the oils in this hair really get into the hair strands and, you know, give the hair the life that it lost back. I really love the fact that this doesn't have an offensive smell. So this is one product I will definitely keep on using. And of course, the downside to this product is, despite the fact that the size is quite small, it is expensive. I think this small container of this Macadamia Oil Max right here goes for, I think, 3,500 naira. Yeah, I think that was the price when I bought it. It was 3,500 naira. But does the product work? Yes, because it really infuses your hair with lots of moisture and it makes your hair come alive. So I absolutely recommend this one right here. You can choose to either buy this or this. You can use either of them for your conditioner. If you can afford either of the two, you can choose to go for this one. Or if you can only afford one conditioner, go for this one and leave this one out. But I tend to use like a mixture of either this or the other conditioner I have with this one. So guys, those are the conditioners I'm currently loving, and with time, if I find more products that I feel that are better for my hair extension, I'm definitely going to come on here and share these products with you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you got value from this video, please make sure you smash the like button. Share this video with your friends who are also going to get value out of it, and please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, sis, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. I love you. Bye.